In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a multi-language website in Webflow. Whether you're aiming to reach a global audience or simply want to offer your content in multiple languages, this tutorial will show you how to do just that. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to webflow.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to navigate to the All Sites section. This is where you'll see a list of all the projects you're currently working on. Click on All Sites, and you'll have a clear view of all your existing websites. Now, go ahead and select the site you don't want to make multilingual. Simply click on the site's thumbnail or title. This will take you to the site's dashboard, where you can manage settings and make all the necessary changes to your website. In the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen and find the gear icon. This icon represents your site settings. Click on it to open up a new array of options that you can configure for your site. Once you're there, search for the Localization tab. This is where you'll be able to add new languages to your website. Click on Localization to proceed. Now that you're in the Localization section, click on Add New Locale. This is the feature that allows you to include additional languages on your website. You'll need to specify which language and country you want to add. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of languages and corresponding countries to choose from. Carefully select the language and country that best fit your needs. Once you've made your selection, the final step is to click Save. This will apply the new language settings to your website, making it accessible in multiple languages. And there you have it. Your site is now set up to cater to a broader audience with language options that suit their preferences. I hope you found this guide helpful in creating a multi-language website using Webflow. With just a few simple steps, you can expand your website's reach and accessibility, engaging with users from around the world. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy web designing.